Charles Dickens stood at the edge of the chaotic Victorian train station, where the sound of hissing steam and grinding metal filled the air. The once innocent delight of traveling by train had turned into a source of terror after a horrific crash he'd narrowly escaped. The station was alive with tension whispers, spreading like wildfire about the recent disaster, and Dickens could hardly bear to listen. Memories of the crash haunted him every creak and groan of the approaching train, sending shivers down his spine. Amidst the chatter, a sense of foreboding hung in the air as Dickens listened to tales of peril and misfortune that accompanied the arrival of each locomotive. He felt a chill creep up his spine, convincing him that danger lurked behind every puff of steam. As the conductor's lantern flickered, signaling the train's imminent arrival, Dickens felt an inexplicable pull between his love for storytelling and his fear of this mechanized beast. It loomed closer, casting a shadow over his creative spirit. At that moment, a sudden slip of a quirky passenger sent laughter rippling through the crowd, momentarily easing the tension. Dickens couldn't help but smile at the absurdity of it all, finding humor amidst the chaos. Inspired by the hilarity and humanity displayed in that brief moment of chaos, Dickens jotted down notes, furiously determined to weave this unexpected comedy into a tale that not only entertained, but revealed deeper truths about society's folly. As the train sped through the picturesque countryside, Dickens commanded the attention of everyone around him, blending narrative and reality, transforming their shared anxiety into a collective tale of laughter and resilience. The spark in the child's eyes mirrored the excitement of the passengers, all of them entranced by Dickens's storytelling. He effortlessly transformed their journey into a shared adventure, making the dread of travel fade into laughter and camaraderie. With every stroke of his pen, Dickens immortalized the day's absurdities and laughter, breathing life into characters that would forever embody the spirit of their chaotic travel, while outside, the world blurred into a breathtaking portrait of freedom.